How to recover a forgotten login password on Toobit. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and I'm back with another Toobit tutorial, and we are learning how you can easily recover your account even if you've forgotten your password while logging into Toobit. First of all, launch the Toobit application on your mobile device, or you may also go visit toobit.com on a web browser. Once you are inside this home page, go to the upper left corner and tap on the human icon and make sure you reach this Create Account or Login button. To log into your account, click on Login, and then you'll be asked to enter your email or phone number. If you don't remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link underneath the Email tab, and on the next page, write down your email or phone number associated with Toobit account. Once you are done, click on the Send button underneath and you'll receive a 6-digit verification code sent to you via email. Open up your registered email inbox and open up the Toobit email that you received. Copy the code inside it, get back to Toobit app and paste in the code in the Enter 6-digit code box, and finally click OK. On the next page, you'll get to change your password. Enter the new password you want to change to in the new password field for Toobit. Now head over to the next field and re-enter the password once again. If both of the passwords are correct, click on OK and you'll be able to reset your password. On the next page, go through the security verification. You'll need to enter your verification code sent to you via email and your authentication app. Once you do that, you'll be able to get access to your account again. And there you have successfully logged in with the newly updated password. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.